Knee pain and deteriorating cartilage have become common concerns for countless individuals, often interfering with daily movement and reducing overall quality of life. However, what many people don't realize is that the foods you eat can play a major role in rebuilding knee cartilage and restoring joint strength. Nutrition has a powerful influence on joint health, and with the right foods, you can help your body regenerate cartilage and support long-term joint function. Let's take a closer look at some of the most beneficial foods you should start adding to your daily routine. First on the list are foods rich in collagen. Collagen is a key protein that forms the foundation of cartilage, providing it with strength and flexibility. Incorporating bone broth, gelatin, or even collagen-based supplements into your diet delivers essential amino acids your body needs to rebuild and maintain cartilage. Bone broth, in particular, is packed with compounds like glycine and proline, amino acids that not only strengthen connective tissues, but also help maintain proper joint lubrication, easing movement and reducing discomfort. Next up are omega-3 fatty acids. Found abundantly in fatty fish such as sardines, mackerel, salmon, and herring, omega-3s are known for their powerful anti-inflammatory effects. Chronic inflammation is one of the leading drivers of cartilage wear and tear, so consuming these healthy fats can help slow down degeneration while encouraging new tissue formation. For those who prefer plant-based alternatives, you can also get omega-3s from sources like flaxseed oil, walnuts, and chia seeds. These plant options provide alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, which the body can convert into beneficial anti-inflammatory compounds. Vitamin C-rich foods are also essential for cartilage health. This vital antioxidant is necessary for collagen synthesis, meaning your body can't properly build cartilage without it. Add more vitamin C into your meals with fruits and vegetables like oranges, kiwi, strawberries, bell peppers, and broccoli. Beyond promoting cartilage growth, vitamin C also defends your joints from oxidative stress caused by free radicals, which can accelerate tissue breakdown over time. Another underrated nutrient for cartilage support is sulfur. This mineral plays a key role in the development of cartilage and the production of synovial fluid, which keeps your joints lubricated and functioning smoothly. Vegetables like garlic, leeks, onions, and cabbage are naturally high in sulfur and can aid in the regeneration of cartilage. In addition, sulfur helps to combat inflammation and maintain flexibility within the joints, making these foods a great addition to any joint-friendly diet. Legumes and whole grains also offer significant benefits for those looking to support joint repair. Lentils, chickpeas, black beans, and whole grains such as oats and quinoa are loaded with fiber and micronutrients that enhance overall joint health. Many of these foods contain zinc, a mineral that plays an important role in cellular repair and the regeneration of cartilage. By supplying your body with consistent zinc intake, you're giving it the tools it needs to rebuild and protect your knee joints over time. Spices like turmeric and ginger have been used for centuries due to their healing properties, and modern science continues to back their effectiveness. Turmeric contains curcumin, a natural compound known for its ability to reduce inflammation and support cartilage repair. Ginger, on the other hand, improves circulation in the joints while also lowering inflammation and pain levels. Together, these two spices can help relieve stiffness and swelling, while creating a more supportive environment for cartilage healing. Don't overlook the importance of calcium-rich foods either. Dairy products like milk, yogurt, and cheese are loaded with calcium, which is critical for maintaining strong bones. Since your bones serve as the structural framework for your joints and cartilage, keeping them dense and healthy is key. For better calcium absorption, make sure you're also getting enough vitamin D, either through sun exposure, fortified foods, or supplements, as it allows your body to effectively utilize calcium. Lastly, include a variety of antioxidant-rich fruits in your diet, especially berries. Blueberries, cherries, raspberries, and similar fruits are packed with compounds that protect cartilage from oxidative stress. These antioxidants act as a shield, neutralizing harmful molecules that could otherwise damage the joints and speed up the degeneration process. Including a colorful mix of fruits not only supports your joints but also benefits your immune system and overall vitality. If you're looking for a natural way to help your knees feel stronger, more flexible and pain-free. These powerful foods are a great place to start. They don't just mask the symptoms, they address the root cause of joint discomfort by nourishing and supporting cartilage from the inside out.